Hello students, today we are going to do one practical. The aim of the practical is the study of structure and distribution of stomata on the upper and the lower surface of leaf. So we are going to use two kinds of leaf for this. One is a monocot leaf and another one is a dicot leaf. So what are the requirements for this experiment? So let us see the requirements. Requirements are the fresh leaf, that is dicot leaf and monocot plant leaf. Then we will be using a cover slip. We will also be needing one watch glass and one slide and a microscope. Okay, that is a dissecting microscope. So based upon this figure, if you will observe at the end of in the dissecting microscope, you will see such kind of a diagram, which is a stomata. Okay, so the stomata is a kind of a small pores present on the surface of a leaf for the removal of moisture from the leaf part. Okay, that is the removal of the moisture or taking exchange of the gases that takes place with the help of small pores which are present on the leaf surface. Those are called as stomatas. So these stomatas are made up of cells called as a guard cells. Okay, so just like this, these kind of cells, these are guard cells, and there is also a presence of nucleus into it. So this is a kind of a area which is a porous area. This is a place where you can see that this is a small pore which is present between the two guard cells. Okay, so this is combinedly, this complete structure we call it as a stomata. So let us do this experiment and understand how many number of stomatas are there on the upper surface of the leaf of monocot plant and even in the dicot plants. So we have got the two leaves. This is a dicot leaf and this is monocot plant leaf. Okay, so in this what you have to do, you have to just tear the leaf in such a way that the stomatas or the inner layer of the leaf should be seen clearly, just like this. Okay, so as you can see, on the edges of the leaf you can see the white colored structure. Okay, this white colored structure on the edges of the leaf is called the inner layer which contains the stomata. Okay, that is the inner surface. So what you have to do, with the help of a needle, take one slide and with the help of a needle just remove this white part on a slide. So I am doing that. Okay, place it properly, put a drop of glycerine on it, spread the glycerine properly so that the part should be in the middle. Then use a cover slip to cover it. Place the cover slip in such a way that there shouldn't be any kind of a air bubble. Tap it little bit. If is there any air bubble, that will also goes off. Okay, like this. So now the slide is ready for dicot leaf. Similarly, the same process we will follow for the monocot leaf. Okay, and let us observe this slide under the microscope. Okay, so based upon this experiment, we can come to the conclusion and we can write the observations like the dicot leaf, the kind of a guard cells are kidney shaped, while in the monocot leaf, the guard cells are dumbbell shaped, okay, and the number of stomata on the upper epidermis is less in number than that of lower epidermis in the dicot leaf. But in monocot leaf, the number of stomata on upper epidermis and lower epidermis are generally equal in number. So these are the conclusions and the observation which we can draw from this experiment. Thank you so much.